Okay, let's start with the cues. All right, so we are in an overall extended market. Um, yeah, I've been saying that for a couple of weeks now, and the market doesn't want to pull back. So I don't know. It may happen any day now, but you never know. It. I mean, at some point it's going to pull back, but you never know. It may just go sideways. That's the probably the optimal scenario that now starts to go sideways. So it doesn't pull back. There are so many sectors that are um, starting to move now that I don't think is the market is going to pull back hard, but you never know. All right, so let's go to my A list. What I have for today, nanonuclear. So last week I opened an IMSR position. I entered a bit late, I think around here. This is a sector that I've been looking and I think it has a lot of potential. Nuclear microreactors. So we have IMSR with low volume, but it's leading. Nanonuclear, which is I think is going to pop today. So hopefully it gives me an entry. SMR also looking good. There are other names like Oklo. I think Oklo is a bit slow, but may pop. Yeah, Oklo is probably not going to work today, but I'm going to watch closely anyways. All right, so nanonuclear is one of my favorites for today. Cure. So biotech has been pretty strong lately. Let's see if the trend continues. Cure is looking pretty good. It's at resistance. Had an amazing volume last week. I think I got in and out of this one. I can't remember on Friday. So, anyways, it looks very good. I think it could be a good opportunity to enter today. Main. This is a stock that I attempted to trade. I don't know if here or yeah, I think that one, and took me out. So looks good. We have massive volume here, like 10x average volume. Recent IPO. So this one could work. It's a bit choppy. But that this I love this moving average reclaim here. So it looks good. OSS. Okay, so anything defense, of course, is quite strong. We had the move on the drones sector last week. I have several positions. Um, yeah, it looks good. I would like to see more volume in in stage two. It's kind of at my limit. I want to see about 30 million per day, but I don't know. I like it. I like how all this is playing out. So defense plus AI chips, which is pretty strong too. Pretty much led by Intel. Which is setting up again. So OSS kind of decent, kind of decent. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. I'm going to set an alert here. Actually, it's going to pop. So yeah. So SMR, I already spoke about. SMR looks very good. It's already making higher lows. It's looking very good. We have a potential buy area around here, buy pressure area around here, and another one around here. So yeah, yeah, definitely in my list for today. My favorite is nanonuclear in this sector, but yeah, my second one is SMR. Rack space. Yeah, higher lows. We have a contraction. So, what happened with Doc Yeah, and Duggan is pretty much ready to go too. Yeah, it's in my list. I forgot about this one. Okay, Rackspace. Yeah, looking good. I would like to see more contraction, like another day of contraction, but looks great. Yeah, definitely looks great. Look at the volume here. After the report, like it's like a 10x average volume. So a lot of money coming into this stock. So looks good. Quantum QBDS. This is a huge sector. I mean, Ionic. I have a few of this. Ionic. I bought it. I think here and added with this gap. Ionic leading, amazing sector with a lot of opportunities. Rigetti, which I said it's lagging a bit and then popped. I bought it with this pop and setting up again. It's wow, it looks so good, so freaking good. I mean, wow, yeah, I'm definitely going to add to my position Rigetti and QBDS. QBDS, I don't know today, but maybe. I would like to see more. It's still far from 10 day, but it's look at this volume here. There is so much volume behind this move, like 3x, 4x the volume that I think it may just pop. We have this potential by pressure area. So if it pops and moves above this level like 32, it may just keep going. So definitely, it's worth, in my humble opinion, to try to enter. Fermi, this guy build data centers. Uh, I mean, it's kind of risky because it's so low in the base. It could work. There's so much volume coming into this stock, so it's interesting. I'm going to watch it. Qubit, another one in the quantum sector. Great contraction here, so it's a potential entry point above this point. So yeah, I'm going to watch it. Envis overheated, popping up. Wow, 4%. Let's see what happens closer to the open. It's a bit wide. It's a bit choppy. So I think it has fuel to continue moving. This is a name that has been watched for in the last few months. So I don't know. I don't know. I don't think it's for me today, but I'm going to watch it anyways. Rigetti, so that's the other quantum name. Looks so good. Rigetti, I think I'm going to move Rigetti to my tier one because it looks so good. Let me see Qubit. Qubit too. It's an ad for me here. Yeah, definitely Rigetti and Qubit, then QBDS. What else? IMVT. So IMVT, huge volume here, post report, like about 10x. Looks like an entry point. Not my favorite, I think, for today. Yeah, but I'm going to watch it. Cooler. So all this, yeah, the cooling space, it's not at its best moment, I think. Yeah, it's not the hottest, ironically, pun intended. But I think these guys also do they have like a technology to cool down batteries or something, thermal capacitor. Um, yeah, so the battery sector is starting to heat up. So I'm going to watch it. I mean, there is a lot of volume coming in here, so it may work. What is it, like a 3x average volume? Yeah, I like the base. There's a lot of volume coming in. I like the theme, especially because I think they also do. Oh, let's open up quickly, but I think they also do. Yeah, energy optimization um, for data centers. and they work with batteries too. So yes, definitely, I think it's interesting. Enad, I couldn't enter this last week. I hope it gives me an opportunity. And now I'm going to wait for this range to contract again. Hopefully something like this. It gets closer to the 10-day. So hopefully this contracts around here before moving again. Otherwise, I'll have to wait. But I'm very interested in this one. CRWB, so it's lagging a bit. A lot of interest around this stock. See this volume coming in this rally. There was a lot of interest around this stock. So this could be an interesting. Oh, now it's popping today. This could be an interesting uh, entry point. So it's contracted enough. It could get choppy around here, but I mean, risk reward looks good. Yeah, I'm going to watch it for today. There are so many opportunities. I have to shrink down this list. I have too many names. Sweet Green probably not going to enter this one. Looks good technically. I don't know the story. I've seen a few restaurants and related stocks moving lately, but I'm not sure. There are so many opportunities still in tech that I don't know if it's time to look. Probably not. To look for other sectors. I think I'm going to watch it out of curiosity, but I'm not going to trade it. Dawkins or the other like data center and like GPU related, cloud services. Uh, it is a bit extended. It looks a bit extended, but I think it rested in the weekly. So yeah, I don't know. It's the kind of move that you think, can I get in? Get a potential 10 to 1 if I enter here. I mean, if the stop is tight enough, can this move like 10 to 1? It might. It might. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's a bit risky. It's a bit risky. Yeah, for sure. USAR. So critical metals is starting to move some of these names, and USAR seems to be leading. I really like the contraction. I like the story. Um, yeah, it looks good technically. Yeah, it could work. Yeah, this contraction here is amazing. Look, it's almost a doji. So yeah, you know what? I'm going to move it to my tier one because hmm, I'm not sure. No, 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 tier two. But I'm going to. I may just trade it in 2 times, like enter and then add. Let's see how it plays out. Another cooling name, AAON. Yeah, clear skies above. Nice contraction, huge volume here. So yeah, let me see if they also do. Now this is more like now general cooling. Yeah, I don't think they work with batteries like um, now it's more like AC and general cooling. So it's like more data center related. Yeah, yeah. Okay, perfect. So yeah, yeah. Also interesting, and Hemex looks so good technically. I don't know why they're getting so much attention lately. They're probably related to, let me see, uh, probably something related to some like wearable products. I don't know the reason, honestly, but it looks great. I mean, the volume is like a 5x average volume post report. So yeah, he could make another move. You can make another move. The contraction is not great, but in the 2 hour it looks great. Yeah, actually, yeah. I mean, yeah, half ADR. See, so this is what I look for. 10 to 1. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. Yeah, I think it's stretching it a bit, but yeah, it looks good. Yeah. All right, so this is all I have for today. Hopefully, the market doesn't pull back hard and it goes sideways at least for another month. Hopefully, I think it is going to, but you never know. It's going to go sideways until hopefully until August. But let's see. I mean, it's a wish more than I think it's possible. It may, and then September it may pull back, and then pre-elections may go up again. I don't know, but hopefully it goes sideways, and there are plenty of opportunities to trade all these sectors that look so good. Right. Thanks.